Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Good Programmer. Here this is the first video of series important topics to know for C and C++ programmer. First of all, I want to tell who is the audience for this topic or playlist. I would say everybody. But it will be most useful for those who already knows basics of C and C++. At least some mathematical programs like addition or deletion. Even advanced programmers should go through it as it will be refresher for them. For complete newbie, it will be useful as they will come to know about different concepts like memory, CPU, program, process, software, hardware, heap and stack etc. After knowing these, it will become very easy to understand topics like memory leak, requirement of header files etc. Topics can be different for others, but from my experience, I believe if a programmer knows these things, he or she will understand concepts better. Now, why you should go through this playlist? Because here I am explaining some of the difficult topics in a very basic and layman way. No other programming series on YouTube tell these concepts in their series, which I believe makes some topics difficult to understand, especially for novice and the beginners. Now, do you need to remember these topics? If you are beginner, then yes, you need to remember things as topics will be new for you. For novice programmer, they already knows this topic, and but it will be like connecting the dots and emergence of whole picture for them for some of the topics. For advanced people, this playlist will be a quick recap.